Alright, I thought I'd make a video that has us do some graphing help, and so I just picked a particular section. I think it comes up in a lot of sections, but when there's a graphing part, then a new kind of tool will open up. So I thought I would look at this one from section 3.3, this number 14. And so they give us a quadratic there. F of x is equal to x squared plus 8x plus 12. And the first thing they ask is what's the vertex. So you've seen me in other videos work that out. If you complete this square, the vertex is going to be at -4, -4 it looks like. So I completed this square by adding the 16 in and subtracting the 16. And it's going to tell me I did a good job there. I just wanted one from the beginning. The intercepts, go right back to the beginning. Don't use what your manipulation is. Intercepts are just setting that first thing equal to 0, and you're back in Algebra 1, possibly pre-algebra at the very end. You know the factors of 12 that add to be 8. They're 6 and 2. So what are our two intercepts? -6, -2. And they'll tell us we did great, right? You're good at Algebra 1. Awesome. Now they want us to find the points on the graph with f of x is equal to 12. Now they didn't pick 12 arbitrarily. Notice 12, if we set 12 equal to the polynomial, 12 equal to x squared plus 8x plus 12, and we subtract over the 12, we're solving where x squared plus 8x is equal to 0. Well, that's easy. We'll just factor out the x and get an x plus 8. And so there's, we need to type an ordered pair. And so one of them is, well, when x is, sorry, I got a caps lock in there instead of a comma. One was at 0, so at 0, 12. And then also at -8, it was also 12. So again, they want to know when is the y value 12, and we easily find out is it 0 and 8 because it zeroes out that side. So here's the whole reason why I wanted to make this video. I want to make sure that you can use this tool. And so we're going to click on this and see what we get. Some are easier than others, but remember what we need. We need a vertex of -4, 4. So look as I go on here. We're going to be graphing an upwards facing parabola. So we've got to select that first. So we're going to click that, and then if you look in this upper corner right up here, it says 2020 right now. Now it says 0, 0. What we needed to say is -4, -4, because that's where we're going to start our guy. And so we get right at that guy and we click the dot. And they click the graph to plot a point on your parabola. So I'm going to click there. And then it starts to build the parabola. Now remember, my parabola has x-intercepts of -6 and -2. Well, that looks pretty good. And it goes through 0, 12 though. That's better. That's looking like it goes through 0, 12. And so you're just playing by pulling on it, right? You can even turn it upside down. So the reason why it was a flat line, I was a little bit confused at first. That's because it was using my cursor as another point. And so what I'm trying to do is make that parabola go through 0, 12, right? Because that was one of the ones that I had. Now as I put it on 0, 12, it does look like it goes through -2. So I'm going to leave it right there. Whoa! I don't know how to leave it right there. And so I'm going to click there. And yeah, it's going to solidify it. So I click somewhere. So as I look at that, it does look like it's going through an x-intercept of -6. And then also -2. I don't know if it's going to allow me to see points like that, but let's save that and we'll check that answer. And it's going to say fantastic. So again, the reason why this other point out here is so you could get a larger point away, because it seemed kind of hard to see where -2 and -6 were. But that's how you use the graphing function. And so it's a tool that you're going to have to use in the homework and most likely then on the exam. So I want you to be familiar with it. Awesome. Thanks for watching this video.